free stealth model called Ox Alpha is beating GPT and Fable at coding. Claude Security now scans codebases with Mythos 5. AI agents now burn 5 times more tokens than humans, and graduate jobs have dropped nearly 50% in a year. Here's today's AI news. A mysterious free model called Ox, or maybe OX Alpha, has shown up on OpenRouter and inside coding tools like Cline, and early testing suggests it's genuinely strong, beating GPT-5.6 and Claude Fable 5 on several coding benchmarks. Nobody has claimed it officially, but the technical fingerprint points heavily towards Zhipu AI, the company behind the GLM family, and Pliny the Liberator says his own agent confirmed it as an unreleased model from the GLM 5.x line. It ships with a 1 million token context window, up to around 130,000 tokens of output, and support for text, image, and video input, and it's completely free during this stealth preview, which is expected to run about a week. Results are mixed depending on which benchmark you trust, so treat the strong scores as promising rather than settled until an official release confirms what it actually is. Claude Security scans now run on Claude Mythos 5, Anthropic's most capable cybersecurity model, and it's now available in public beta for every Claude Enterprise customer. It scans a chosen repository, traces data flows across files, and returns findings classified by severity, confidence, and suggested fixes, catching complex multi-component vulnerability patterns that traditional scanners typically miss. There's no separate model access required and no extra add-on cost. Mythos 5 runs quietly in the background during a scan, billed through your existing enterprise plan's normal token usage. Humans are now officially the minority user of AI. A new chart from A16Z shows AI agents burning through nearly 5 times as many tokens as human users, based on data from OpenRouter. Agentic usage first overtook human usage back in February this year, and it's grown roughly 14 times since then, while human-driven usage has only grown about 2.5 times over the same period. The reason is structural. An agent plans, calls a tool, reads the result, calls another tool, drafts, checks itself, and revises, looping through many steps for one human prompt. It's a genuinely useful reminder that the AI economy isn't really about chat anymore. It's increasingly agents talking to tools, with humans further back in the loop than the usage numbers used to suggest. Graduate job vacancies have dropped by almost half in the space of a single year, with employers replacing entry-level roles with AI rather than hiring junior staff. One job site found just over 8,000 graduate vacancies listed in July, down from over 15,000 at the same point last year, and big tech firms globally have cut fresh graduate hiring by more than half over the last 3 years. Some companies that adopted generative AI cut entry-level hiring by as much as 80% in a single quarter, and recent graduate unemployment has climbed alongside it. Employers are also restructuring the junior roles that remain, loading them with senior-level skills like judgment and stakeholder management, what researchers are now calling seniorization.